Alrighty, well, I already flipped the key on, but I figured I'd record this one. Not that it's terribly cold. I did get about 4 inches of snow, which is kind of cool, I guess. That's decently deep. So, but I have Royal Purple fuel additive in the fuel, which last year it helped me out with the like injector sticking before it would high idle. Trash day again. So. I was hoping to see if it was going to help again. Because even though it's like $17 a bottle at O'Reilly, it would be nice to not have a sticking injector. Because before it would stick at about, negative 15 or so, and now it's sticking at there you go. But now it's sticking at really any cold temperature, 20 degrees, something. So it's sitting for a couple days, so I figured for sure it would do it, but I do think the Royal Purple helps. I totally forgot about it because I just gave up on trying to put additives in the tank in this thing because it just didn't seem like it paid, If injectors are so bad they're sticking and crap, yeah, I got an absolute mess. The bottom. I'll show you the stuff. Diesel additive, max tane. Up to 100 gallons. Well, I dumped the whole damn thing in there. But, yeah. Well, there you go. Pretty quiet for being frozen. That's really nice. And, running good. So, Royal Purple helps. So, it just, obviously doesn't. I don't know that it helped my mileage any because why would it? The injectors are so far gone. Why would it help the mileage? It just helps keep the injectors from sticking, which is nice. So, alrighty. I hope you enjoyed this little cold start. It's nice and chilly and nice and snowy. So, thanks for watching. God bless.